In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image on Wix Studio. If you're updating your site's look, refreshing a product shot, or swapping out a placeholder image with something on brand, this is one of the quickest wins you can make in the editor. I'll walk you through it clearly so you feel confident doing it on any page. Start by opening your page in the Wix Studio editor and locating the image you want to replace. Hover your cursor over that image and click directly on it. You'll know it's selected when you see a subtle outline and a small contextual toolbar or menu appearing near shape. That menu is your shortcut to making quick edits without digging through panels. From that menu, choose the option labeled Change Image. It's designed for precisely this task and opens the window where your visuals live. When the selection window appears, you'll see your available images organized visually, often with thumbnails that make it simple to recognize what you need at a glance. Take a moment to browse through and pick the exact image you want to use instead. As you consider your choice, think about composition and orientation. If your current layout is built around a horizontal photo, choosing another horizontal image with similar proportions will help the design stay balanced and prevent unexpected shifts. A crisp, high-resolution file will look professional, and images that are not overly large in file size tend to load faster, keeping your page snappy. Once you select your preferred image in that window, the editor updates the page and swaps it in place. You'll see the change immediately, which makes it easy to confirm the new image looks right within your design. This instant feedback is helpful for checking how the image interacts with nearby elements, like headlines, buttons, or backgrounds. If the image includes important details near the edges, glance to make sure nothing essential is being cropped by the container, and that's really it. Click the image on your page, choose Change Image from the menu, then select the image you want from the window that appears. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your content fresh without rebuilding your layout. If the result isn't quite what you imagined, you can repeat the same quick sequence and try a different option until it matches your vision. With these simple clicks, you can keep your site visually consistent, on brand, and engaging for every visitor.